back to my channel, and today I am going to show you a tea time snack called bread bajji or bread pakora. People call with different names. Today I am going to show you this recipe in two different flavors, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel Sita and Sitara, and let's move on to the preparation of this recipe. Take a bowl. Take 3 spoons of besan, add some salt to it, and add some water. Before adding all the other ingredients, let's make this a fine paste so that no lumps will be formed. And to this, add some finely chopped coriander, add some finely chopped chilies, and some finely chopped curry leaves. And then mix the batter. Add very little baking soda, very little, just a pinch of baking soda. You don't need to add any salt or pepper to this, as we have added the green chilies. We don't require any spices to be added. The batter is ready now, and let's keep it aside and take the bread slices and make it into 4 parts. Keep the kadai for deep frying and pour the oil for deep frying. Let the oil heat. Now the oil is ready. Dip the bread slices like this. Prepare bread pakora in another flavor. To this, we have to take some besan flour and add some salt and some chili powder and add some water and make it a fine paste so that no lumps will be formed. Add water little by little. Don't pour too much of water at one time. To this, add a pinch of baking soda. The batter should look like this. And keep the batter aside. Take a bread slice, make it into 4 pieces. And to this, I am going to prepare this recipe with green chutney. For this green chutney, you can check my green chutney recipes. Take some green chutney, spread over the bread. You can also prepare this bread bajji if you have any leftover bread slices. And cover the top with like this and keep it aside. Take another slice, apply green chutney, cover it and keep it aside. flavors. And if you try any of my recipes, please don't forget to give me your feedback in the comment section below. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.